create a production order. What are the different way? First is MD04. What is in MD04? You can simply go to the your plan order. Okay, now this is my plan order. We can click on the plan order, and once we click on the plan order, there is an option to convert the plan order to production order. So we'll click on this production order. Okay. Oh, this is lock. I opened it somewhere else. Let me close this. Huh? It was already open somewhere. Let me go back to MD04. Okay. Now in MD04, again, this is my plan order. I will double click on this, and I will click on production order, and system will take me directly to the creation of production order screen. And then I will just release it and save it, and my production order will get created. Now here this plan order line will get replaced with the production order number. Now you can double click and display the production order. So by using MD04 T code, we can create a production order. Are we clear, everyone? MD04? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now second option is manually, that is CO01. Now what is the CO01 T code? It's very easy, /n CO01, and you can provide the material number, production plan, and order type PP01. What is order type? We will learn later. Okay. Now this is a material type, material and production plan and order type. Only 3 input, and you can press enter button, and they will ask you how much quantity you have to manufacture. I said 10 quantity. When you have to end it, I will say it has to be get end by this. Okay. Then you press enter button, and system will give you the start date automatically, and you will have all these details, and then you can release and save this. But can you see it? This is totally manual intervention. How much quantity need to be manufactured, when it has to start, there is nothing is having any calculated thing. Okay. Here in case of your MD04, MD04 is what? In MD04, you have this plan order. Now plan order coming from where? Your plan, right? This is your LSF requirement. Okay. In MD63 or MD61, MD62, you updated this plan. This month I want this quantity, this month this quantity, and from this plan you are coming to LSF, and this LSF 137 quantity is converted into the plan order, and this plan order you are converting into the production order, right? So this is very standard and systematic approach, because MRP doing the calculation, MRP doing the date definition, everything is done by the MRP, and then this plan order is created. Perfect. This is the output of your MRP. Now here what is happening? You are doing it manually. Calculation of quantity, how much quantity? 10. It might be 100 by mistakenly. Somebody put like that. Suppose they want to create a 1000 quantity, and they will type extra 0. Will it happen or not by manual mistake? Yes or no, team? Okay. So this can be happen in this way because people might create extra quantity of material. So in order to avoid this transaction, CO01 is not given to any production user, or it will be given to very specific or very genuine super user who is very much sure that he will not use this transaction. He will not create any order in the system with this T code CO01. Why? Because there is no control. It's totally manual. But why then it is given a provision? Now imagine today is the end of the month, okay? Or suppose there is something in emergency need to be manufactured, and for that manufacturing, we don't have anyone available from planning team who can change the MD61, who can take MRP run, who can create a plan order, and who can give us the production order. Nobody is available. And now it is emergency, and there is a requirement from client that sales team that they require 10 quantity of extra material. So in that case, very precisely, somebody will go and create this production order. Okay. It is the emergency situation tool. It is not a daily usable thing. Okay. Are you clear? CO01 T code, you should not use very abruptly. Okay. Are you clear? You should always go and use it only when it is very much required, else you are not supposed to use this. Okay. Are you clear, team? So
Yes.
CO01 T code authorization will not given to any user. It is an emergency tool, only used in emergency. Okay. Now we are clear with MD04, CO01. Now next is the COHV, collective conversion. Now what is a collective conversion? See, we are having how many sales plan order now? Suppose we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this many we are already converted. Okay, suppose for this material there are 50 plan order. Okay, and then from that 50 plan order you have to create a 50 production order. Yes or no? Everyone, team, getting my point? What you do at the start of the month, you have this LSF updated. Okay, LSF means what? Your PIR updated. After on day one, you are going to take MRP run. Okay, the MRP run is going to convert that plan, this demand into the plan order like this. Like this, you will get the plan order number, right? These are the plan order number you will get. Now imagine for every material, there will be 5, 6 or 10, 15 different plan order for that month. Now collectively, you are having, suppose in your company, you are taking MRP run on. Suppose there are 1000 material for which you are going to take MRP run. Okay. And for that 1000 material, collectively, there are suppose 1000 plan order created. Okay. Plan order after MRP run. Okay. Now it is on day one when you are taking MRP run, that is a day of month. Okay. Now after that one, okay, immediately you need to convert all this plan order into the production order. Okay, right? Everybody agree? We have to convert this plan order into the production order, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
So when you convert this plan order into the production order, imagine 1000 production order, you have to go like this. Okay, click here, then convert to production order. Okay, then release it and then save it. It will take 2 seconds. Now this way you have to do for 1000 quantity. Is it manual activity? Do you feel that any person will be doing this activity, or it is not a monotonous activity? It is going to be time consuming, and some error mistake will be happen because people are going to play with this quantity, might be knowingly unknowingly, right? Sometimes it happen due to hurry. People may click, instead of clicking here they will click somewhere else and something go wrong, right? So how to avoid this? How to convert this mass quantity into the production order, this plan order into the production order? For that we have a T code. Okay, let me go back. We have a T code that is called as a COHV, mass conversion of plan order. So what we can do, simply go to the T code / COHV. Okay, in this provide the material number, that is a JCB P16, plant is 1000. Okay, then talk about only plan order. Here is the option production order, plan order, COHV. This is your interview question, huh, guys? Remember, you might get a question how to convert plan order into production order. Okay, so you should know this option. Okay, now this is JCB, this is plant. Okay, plan order is created. Then simply click on enter button. Then go for mass processing. Okay, you will click, instead of selection you have got this. Now go for mass processing. Plan order is selected, material number and divided of plant. Then click on mass processing. And then here you have to select the option convert plan order. So convert plan order option order is selected. Okay. Then you will execute. Once you execute, you can see these are the remaining plan order available. Now, if you go to MD04, you can see 601, 602, 598. From here, 598, 599, 600, 601, 60. These are the plan order which need to convert it to production order, right? So see 598 to 602. All these plan order are available over here. Okay. Now you will select all this plan order and there is option convert to production order. Okay. Convert plan order. You will click on that and system will start processing now. Okay. Now there is some error warning message. Okay. Enter, add up, execute. There is an error message. It is not allowing us to convert because of we are having the bomb which is having that unnecessary metals. Okay. So what, let me do one thing. Let me delete CS01. I will CS02. Okay. Bomb message 1, alternate bomb 1. Enter. And let me delete this. Okay. Oh, it is updated in task list also. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now if you go to the operations, okay, let us see once again now. Most probably this issue will get resolved now. Okay. Go back, plan order, mass processing, execute. Refresh. Oh, see, this all plan order are now converted into the production order. Can you see? Error was resolved. Now all plan order are automatically converted to the production order. Team, clear? Eh? So this is the way we can convert a mass number of order into the production order with the help of COHV code. So this is very important T code, COHV. So we should use it very frequently. Okay, COHV to convert. So we have three options: MD04, CO01, never use, emergency tool, and COHV, mostly used. Okay, the system. Now, the production order creation manual is discussed. Okay. So now let us understand effects of production order. What is mean by effects of production order? When we create a production order, what is going to happen? Very much important. First of all, routing is selected. Its operation and sequence are transferred to the order. Okay. Now, let me try to show you slash and CO01. Okay, let me take another material. Okay. Oh. And this application, the task list. Mhm. What I want to show you actually, slashing 001. The first thing is that system is always going to update the routing, okay, over here. Okay, so that is the first thing is going to happen, but I'm not able to show because direct system is going inside that. Otherwise, system is always ask you to select a routing. Okay, I will check the configuration once again after this call, and I will let show you know. But first of all, system is always going to set the routing. Then system is going to update the bomb explosion. Then system is going to create the reservation against the bomb number. Okay, reservation you understand, right? And then system is create a plan cost and then capacity requirement and the purchasing requisition are generated for non-stock or externally procured materials. Okay, so system is going to follow this process whenever you are going to create any production order. Okay, so always first priority is to routing. So Saurabh, you are asking the question. So routing is the first thing system is going to ask for. Okay, now configuration is changed. I'm not able to show you, but whenever you try to create a production order for any random material, okay, suppose let us do one slash 01. Okay. Now material is created. Okay, work scheduling लगाई था यार. We have to update this production schedule profile. Okay, here in work scheduling. Slash n CO01. Why it is directly jumping without sales production order? See, now routing is required here. Can you see? Routing is not available. Once I update the quantity, system is asking me for routing. Select the routing. Select reference operation set. Unless and until you provide the routing, system will not go ahead. Order will not created. Are we clear? I have not created any routing for this material. The system don't see any routing. That is the reason system is throwing error. Provide the routing first. Are we clear? Everybody?
Yes.
Once we provide the routing, then system will ask, okay, what is the bill of material? Then system will check the BOM. It will update the BOM in this. Once the bill of material is available, system is going to update the reservation number. Okay. or previous old order I'm just showing. So once the system have your routing, BOM is available, system is going to jump, and for this all component, system will create a reservation number. Sorry, my bad, reservation number. So all this BOM component will get blocked into their stock. Okay, and then system will go for plan order cost. Now, what is the plan cost? So if you go for more, okay, go to cost analysis. Here you can see there is a plan cost. What does it mean by plan cost? To manufacture this much of JCB quantity, how much cost is going to incur? That is 22 crore, 70 lakhs, something like that. Okay. And what is the actual cost when you confirm the production order and you found there are 2, 3, 4 scrap of engine or tire or some instrument or something like that, that will get added over here. And then total variance, the plan versus actual variance will be get updated. Now here we don't have actual cost, so plan cost is equal to your variance. There is a big variance, but once you do the actual production confirmation, either this becomes 0 or there will be whatever difference will get updated over here. So that is going to happen. That is plan cost order are generated. Okay, now you can see the plan cost is generated. See, this plan cost is created now. Capacity requirement will be get generated, and the purchase requisition are generated for non-stock item externally processed. So you see the earlier we are facing the error that material purchase order was not available. So for those material, system will create a purchase order. Okay, like here we don't have for this material, system will create a purchase requisition. Okay, whenever we create it. Okay, so you can go over here, you can see this purchase requisition will get created for this component. We are in MD03N here. Material number, description, quantity, whatever is required will get updated, and system will create a purchase requisition for this particular material. Okay, clear? So these are the steps going to happen once you are going to take a production order creation next step. Okay, clear team? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us stop over here, team. Tomorrow we are going to connect and we are going to start with the next topic, that is production order. Order creation is done. Now we will check availability check. Okay. And then if possible, we'll go for order release also tomorrow. These two topics will get completed tomorrow. Okay. So as of now, let us stop over here.